Let's make this delicious Italian red pepper infused olive oil, my friends. The first thing you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's crack open these red peppers. We're using the whole peppers today in this recipe. We'll strain them out later. You could also use the crushed peppers if you prefer and have them on hand. And always feel free to get creative and add other stuff. You could add some cracked black pepper in here and whatever other spices you want. After we add those red peppers, we're going to add about a tablespoon or so of this Italian seasoning. Again, as little or as much as you like, depending how you want the flavor. We're doing the powdered garlic today to give this infusion a little longer shelf life and just to switch it up a little bit. We have another infused garlic recipe on this channel if you want to check it out. Then the best part, this is where you would add your cannabis decarbed flour or whatever else you wanted to infuse in here. The world is your oyster, guys. Now let's add that olive oil. Fill it up. We're going to do a smaller batch here today. I don't plan on using a ton of this anytime soon, so I like to do smaller batches if I don't have plans to use a lot. Still a nice amount of olive oil, and then we're going to set our timer for 60 minutes, guys. Once that 60-minute timer is up at that 200 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to restart it. See, it's at 186, so it's still heating up. And we're just going to give it a little swirl here and put it in for that another hour. So we did 2 hours total today. You could do 3 hours, you could do 4 hours, you could really do what you'd like here. We're just gonna stick simple today, do 2 hours and see how this flavor comes through. I've done it in the past and it has worked quite nicely. I was using crushed pepper instead of the full peppers. Now we're simply gonna strain it through the Mason Pot Fine Strainer. You could keep it in there if you like that look, you like having the herbs in there, but we're gonna strain it through and allow that to collect, the Italian herbs there. I'll collect the red peppers. So we're just left with our delicious red pepper Italian garlic infused olive oil. And this is smelling absolutely phenomenal. Let's do a little taste test here. Yeah, this is absolutely delicious, guys. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you like this infused olive oil recipe. Again, remember, you could add your favorite flour to it if you'd like and go about it that way. And if you want to dive deeper into cannabis infusions and just cannabis stuff in general, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And also True Buds TV YouTube channel has a lot of valuable content on there for you guys if you do want to take a deeper dive. Thanks again for posting up, and I'll see you guys later.